Ah? Kain? Welcome to my vlog, guys. We're having a party. O, diba? So many people around here. See? This is a beach. Picnic. Third day of CNY. Tomorrow back to normal na. Okay guys, ang dami, yummy. Kuha ka na te. Oh, yun na ito te oh. Ay yung ano. Ah, okay. Oh guys, so many visitors. We're having a party. Can you imagine that? Ayan. Okay na yan te, yung mainit ang inano mo. Oh my guys, duro-diretso na to. Oh. More visitors coming. You see? More visitors. Yummy. This is a pork ribs. Okay. Yun ang beach. You can swim there. See? Winter. Ang dami oh. Oh my gosh, guys. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye-bye.